Here's a simplified explanation of the history and evolution of operating systems. Early computers. In the early days of computing, there were no operating systems as we know them today. Computers were massive and required manual control by engineers. Programs were loaded and executed one at a time. Batch processing systems. As computers became more powerful and complex, the concept of batch processing emerged. Batch processing allowed users to submit jobs in batches, which were then executed sequentially without user intervention. The earliest operating systems, like the IBM OS 360, managed this process, handling job scheduling, resource allocation, and I/O operations. Time-sharing systems. In the 1960s, time-sharing systems were introduced, allowing multiple users to interact with a computer simultaneously. These systems divided CPU time into slices, giving each user a portion of time to execute their tasks. Time-sharing operating systems, such as Unix, were developed to manage this shared access and ensure fairness and security among users. Personal computers. In the 1980s, personal computers, PCs, entered the market. Operating systems like MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System, provided a command line interface for users to interact with their PCs. Later, graphical user interfaces, GUIs, were introduced, offering a more intuitive and visually appealing way to interact with the computer, as seen with Windows and Macintosh. Networked computing and client-server systems. With the advent of networking, operating systems evolved to support distributed computing. Client-server architectures emerged, where multiple computers, clients, connected to a central server to access shared resources or services. Operating systems, such as Windows NT and Linux, included networking capabilities to facilitate this type of computing. Mobile and embedded systems. As mobile devices became ubiquitous, operating systems evolved to meet the unique requirements of smartphones and tablets. iOS and Android were developed to provide touch-based interfaces, app ecosystems, and seamless integration with mobile hardware components. Cloud computing. In recent years, cloud computing has gained prominence. Operating systems now focus on managing virtualized resources in data centers, allowing users to access computing power and storage remotely. Cloud-based operating systems, like Windows Server and Linux distributions, enable scalable and flexible infrastructure for businesses and individuals. Throughout history, operating systems have undergone significant advancements to support the increasing complexity and diversity of computing needs. They have become more user-friendly, powerful, and capable of managing multiple tasks and resources. Today, operating systems play a crucial role in enabling users to interact with computers, running applications, and managing hardware efficiently, while providing a secure and reliable computing environment. Thank you. That's all for this video. We will see you in the next one.